the slogan for the entire state. No? We place a complete trust in God, and we are trying our best to ensure that whatever we do is for the glory of God. As most of you, if not all, must be aware of the fact that I have been visiting Garo Hills frequently in the last 2 to 3 years. And some people, they are wondering how this Baden keeps coming, but without establishing his party in Garo Hills. They fail to understand why he is not establishing his party in Garo Hills. Because we feel that we should not rush in constituting our units in Garo Hills unless we see that those people who would like to join the party are fully subscribed to the philosophy, the ideology, and the belief of the party. Because the Voice of the People Party is not just another political party. We have made it very clear the day we announced to float this party that the Voice of the People Party is going to be a party with a difference. It is not only a party where our aim and objective is to contest election and win election only. It is going to be a movement where we will bring about a change in Meghalaya, especially a political change. I think that we will get the number to form the government from Khasi Tent Hills. Our frequent visit to Garo Hills does not imply that we badly want to be in the government. No. We want that our brothers, our Achik brothers and sisters, should also get the chance to know what is the aims, objectives and goal of the Voice of the People Party, because it is going to benefit them also. If we are in the government, we may not have representation from governments, but we are not going to leave this part of the state because we are, called to serve the state of Meghalaya, not to serve a particular community like the Khasi community only. So, which is why we want that you, our Achik brothers and sisters, should understand this. So if you understand this, what is your duty? Don't you think that it is your duty to join hands with us? Don't you think that it is your job to strengthen the party, to work? Because the Voice of the People Party is here to offer protection and benefits for the people of the state and the people of this region also.
Hi kumbakalong hi kadon ka jingshisha ka bakraw ba kadon ka jingtrang jengkipai ba Garo Hills ba ka Voice of the People Party kan hiar sa Garo Hills ban penrung dekot ban sengi ka party shanish po Garo Hills. Tikum ginongalam ngilawan hiar bonsien bat ngilayo ban ikundo iki bobon ba kibriu akaling-kaling ke district bat ngilai ke jingislop ya ka jingai lenti ka daw ka balapalongi bengin sengi ka party ka thong ka jingthumu ka jingi bakanong rim ka jingi tikum bakalong manta kalong ka bat smutnat bangin tip ba kata ka jingtrang ka jong ki ni ki riurang ba ki pai ba jong ka Garo Hills kala pinisha bakalong ka ba scam namar ngila lum iki ngila pawan bat ngila tenjo iki haduk anu kadon kata ka jing angnut bat menta kasing kala don ke jingi kundo ban slop hadin bangilayo ban slop haki kor ki menshwa bat nagawi ka jingmut kilarai bakin sangno kirki ya kani ka parti ka jingi bat dena kata kata hukum kinongalam ngila menjur bangin bu shwa ya ka ad hoc committee hagbede ba Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party. Kenang bagani ke Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kan sedang ban ลมบันลังบันยสลบอีกเบริวบันไอก็จึงเป็นชายก็จึงเป็นโซโซกันนี้ก็มีนามารคลาดอนก็จึงทรังบัดก็จึงอังนุดบางยันหับบันสดังโนยกันนี้ก็คำเฉพาะการฮิลส์บัดนี้สมุทุฮับงี้ดอนชนิดเฉพาะการฮิลส์กัดฮับงี้กันโดแล้วก็ลงกีเรียรองบ้าแล้วก็ลงกีเรียวดอนพรอมกีละเป็นเป้าชาฮีบักคมบักลงฮีกันเดสังกับ Voice of the People Party กับบันลงกตากา alternative มั้งไว้ปัดกาลาnakam taki nongsong snong ha ka jila Meghalaya bakinyo ya ka sarkar kabaron ka jing sokhya nam ta jiki pai ba te nilala ban sengi ke ka ad hoc committee jong ka Garo Hills zone jong ka Voice of the People Party mata ka si pat ka basngot nat kalong bakidon du kiri rong ba jong ka hangni po Garo Hills ki belong ki nongelam ki beri ki senior citizens kin bedon ha ka kam shakrible kiba lakloi ru banlong ki nong ai jimut ki nong ye betin linti ya kani ka ad hoc committee khnang bengi la banwan ra pat ya ka ta ka district committee ka ba khlan ha kani ka dong ka thai bat shikiwi pa ki district te ka ta ka ka khubor ka bang ban pau bat na sno ban ai ngu ible na ka ti ka jong u bat ka jing ya linti ka jing ka ba ngi yo ban mat sa ya kani pa ka khap jong ka jing job ha ka jing ya linti jing bengi la ban sing ban lum ya ki rangba ya ki samla ki ba penpau shisha ba kumba kalong manta kimdon shu da ka wei pat ka jing prakhat na ni ka jing arti ni ka Voice of the People Party nei ban I ba ka ri tang ni ka party ka ban yeng nam ta jing ki tribal ki tries ka ha ka jala
tli ka wei ka jing mun hakabi pipi alingin ai kabu palti blaseng da kiri stat riu simpang palti batai hok ya ubabun balang ki wei la ki ben la ki kan tho haru kam ki wanda wadong kum no ban yo pen pulom hendrei pipi la ka kam kaya